Guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to be doing night sharks versus helicopters, and we're going to see how this goes. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be in my night shark, and these helicopters are going to come and rush me and try to destroy me before I even reach Mount Chiliad. And I'm hoping I'm going to win this because it's going to be very hard. Okay, the game should start now, and I gotta start. Oh no, I can see them, they're all right next to me. Okay, quick left. No, I flipped the left. Okay, quick right. We don't have time for this. No, the helicopter's in front of me. Just want to say thank you to subscribers that joined this game today. Couldn't have done it without you. Oh. I can try and dodge these missiles. Those helicopter missiles are really bad. Okay, we got this. Oh, he got me again. Alright, we're seeing try and dodge this missile. Okay, alright, great. This helicopter's trying to drop bombs on me.
Hey, that's pretty good.
This car can be made to go faster, so I just put these wheels on just so it has better handling. Okay. All these helicopters are still behind us, so... Oh, I'm gonna crash now. Where is it? I'm built different. We got this, let's go. No, alright, I feel like this is the part where I'm gonna die, because this night shark's looking too many. No! No, I died. Right, that's sad. That's not nice at all.